Are you learners? So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys why Sharp WriteView is the best calculator. So let's say we do have this question and we want to solve it under the topic trigonometry. So in order to solve it, we're going to use the sine rule. Why? Because we are given the length of two sides and an angle, and whenever we do have a scenario whereby we do have two sides and an angle, we use the sine rule, which says sine A over A is equals to sine B over B, which is equals to sine C over C. And here we want to find angle M and K, so we want to find this angle. So we're going to take sine M and K over 10, which is equal to sine 50 over 9.
Then you cross multiply.
So 9 sine M and K is equals to 10 sine 50 because we want to make M and K divisible with the formula. So we're going to divide everything by 9, this side by 9 and this side by 9. So this 9 and this 9 is going to cancel, so it's going to be sine M and K is equals to 10 sine 50 over 9. And remember, we want to make M and K divisible with the formula, so we're going to divide everything by sine, and the moment we divide by sine, it becomes arc sine. So to the right, it's going to be what? Arc sine, which will be written in this form: sine index minus 1, that's arc sine, 10 sine 50 over 9, which is equal to what? To angle M and K. And we're just going to go on the calculator and punch this whole expression on the WriteView calculator. So here's how we do it. Okay, so this is my calculator, so I'm just gonna have to go and punch arc sine, which is second function, then I punch sine. Okay, then I open the bracket, then I have to punch that whole expression, 10 sine 50 over 9. So I'm just gonna have to press this one, then I punch 10 sine 50 over 9, then I close the bracket and I punch equals, which takes me straight to my answer, which is 58.338111615. Now rounding my answer to one decimal place, because degrees are always expressed to one decimal place, the answer is going to be 58.3 degrees. So this is going to be my final answer, and till we meet again.